everybody, it's Neil and welcome to my room here, and I have the FOSHIO. And what this is a plastic scraper for like a plastic razor blade. So we're gonna check this out. Oh, it comes with one that's already put together here. And here's another one here. So we got two of those, and then we have a box and it's empty. And then we have the instructions on how to switch them out. And then this box should have like a bunch of them in there. I don't know what I got. I think I got like the 100 pack or something. So there should be a ton of, oh yeah, there's a ton of them in here. Oops. So I'm gonna show you what these things are and how they work here. Let's close this up. Actually, I'll aim you guys down a little bit. So I have here one of my printing things. And so what I got it for is like this. You can see I've got a couple of things that are stuck on there. And if I use the metal one, it's gonna scratch up my the stuff, the metal plate. But so I can just use this and I can scrape the stuff off, and there we go. I got the rest of it off. There's not much, there's nothing left, I guess. I got